In the previous lesson, we learned how to create simple formulas with cell references and using just one type of operation. In this lesson, we will learn how to create more complex formulas using multiple operators. For example, a single formula containing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As you might recall from your math class, when you have multiple operators, you need to follow the order of operations. This is the order in which the formula will be calculated in Excel. It goes like this. First, Excel calculates the items in parentheses. Second, exponents are solved. Third, multiplication and division are evaluated. Lastly, addition and subtraction are solved. Operators that are equal in precedence are performed left to right. To remember the order of operations, use the acronym PEMDAS, or just remember the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." But why do you want to remember this? Because if you don't follow the order of operations, you will end up with the wrong answer. Let's look at some examples. Parenthesis 5 plus 3 in brackets multiplied by 2. We have to calculate those in parentheses first. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Exponents. Calculate the exponent first. 3 squared is 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. If you want 5 minus 3 to be calculated first, then put them in parentheses. 5 minus 3, the whole to the power of 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Multiplication and division. Let's do multiplication first, which ranks higher in the order of operations. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11. Another one on multiplication and division. Multiplication and division should be performed first, but both are equal in the order of operations. So which one should be calculated first? If two operators are there which are equal in precedence in the order of operations, solve them left to right. So let's do the division first. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 added to 12 is 18. In this formula, if you want 12 plus 9 to be calculated first, then put them in parentheses. So 12 plus 9 is 21. Then there is multiplication and division. So let's go from left to right. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Addition and subtraction. Since addition and subtraction have equal precedence, let's calculate from left to right. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. It's time to look at a more complex formula. As always, solve the expressions in parentheses first. 17 minus 15 is 2. Now, solve the exponents. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Multiplication and division get their chance now. Solve them from left to right. Finally, do the addition and subtraction again from left to right. The answer is 28. Let me show this in Excel. This is a summarized income statement of a company. I need to compute the tax amount. The tax rate is 15%. So I'll use cell references to do this. Income minus expense multiplied by 15% and enter. This is not the right tax amount actually, because we did not follow the order of operations. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, what Excel has done is, it has applied the tax rate on the expense amount. To correct this, put the income minus expense expression within parentheses so that the profit before tax is computed first, and then multiply by the tax rate.